So I know that a lot of people are out there and their head is full of business ideas, but where to get the capital to start the business is always the main problem. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the right way or the right path to follow to get a capital to start any business. So make sure you watch the video from beginning to the end. If you are having a lot of business ideas in your head, but you're not having the capital to start, you need to watch the video from beginning to the end. But first of all, I'm going to start like how I did my first when I start how I did mine. So first when I start, actually I look around because by then I completed senior high school, and I was there and I didn't go to school by then. So actually I was roaming by then. I didn't go to school yet, and I was just like looking for ways to earn a living. So I look around and I say, okay, then I'm already ahead. So let me get some people to be teaching so that I can be like getting some passive income out of that. So I look around and I say, I draw a plan. Okay, what am I going to do? And approach one man, because when you are to approach, because you need to weigh the person to see how the person is. So I approach the man and I say, okay, please, like I want you to do me a favor. I don't know if my offer may be accepted or not, but I know I'm capable. So can you like give me the chance to help your children to be doing to understand better what they have been learning in school? That's what I told the man. And the man said, okay, there's no problem. And he was actually in the workplace. He told me that, okay, I should come, he showed me that at 5 p.m. I should come to his house. I say, okay, no problem. I'll be there. So immediately I came around 4:49 or so about. I can't actually remember the time, but it was around 4 to 5. I came to his house and I was waiting for him because I wanted to show the man that I'm serious about what I'm doing. So I came to his house around that time and I waited for the man to come, and the man came and we all discussed one-on-one, and he shows me, okay, so he just asked me, okay, how many hours will I be willing to spend? Like, how many hours will I be willing to spend? I say, okay, maybe I can dedicate about 1 hour every day to come. Actually, I didn't give every day. I was saying that he was saying every day, and I told him that, no, actually, I'm in need of this thing, but I can't be going for every day, but I'll be going for Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So 3 times a week. That's what I told the man. 3 times a week. I told the man I'll be going 3 times a week. And the man, he said, okay, there's no problem with that. And he told me, okay, how much will I charge for that? And I told him, actually, everything will depend on how I work. I can't charge for now. What I just want to do is that I want you to see my work before we can communicate. And he said, okay, better. So I started it because it's in the village. So in the village, getting there maybe even 30 cities by then. That was back in 2018, like 2018 there, but that was back in 2018. Even getting that particular 30 cities by then, it was a big amount. And I just started it in 1 week later. He said, okay, you can see that I'm doing it well and that he liked the process, so I should continue it that way. So I continued it, and month end, and he said, okay, I need to I should take this thing to buy something and maybe wash my clothes and other things. So I say, okay, thank you. And he gave me, that was 50 cedis. Actually, it's not a big deal. It's not any big amount. Maybe $2 to $3. I don't know. I can't convert it. Maybe $2 to $3 or $4 about. I don't know. Or maybe, if possible, be about $5. It was not a big amount, but when you convert it to our local currency, it was a big amount to me, because by then it was a big amount to me. By then, okay. So I started to save that particular amount, and by then, it a year later, I didn't even reach a year, and actually I applied for college and I was able to get admission. So because of that, I was not able to continue with that, but by then I was already having some money, because actually I was spending the money, but I was still saving some aside. So I was able to get that money to cope with my life and buy some things for the college things and other things. So I was able to do that. Let's say for your study, you are not to go to college and other things. You are not like to do that. And let's say that you are to start, you are just like purposely to start that particular business. You are particular, like just get a business and you're working on that. If you are having a particular skills, just go out there and like put the work out. You need to approach people and tell you the people what you are capable of doing. And if somebody is satisfied with what you are offering, then they are going to give you the job to do and they are going to pay you for that. So if you are having a particular skill, then just go out there and offer it. And the second way to go is that nowadays, if you're not having any skill, and there's no way that you'll not be having skill, if you're not having any skill, what I'll tell you is that just go online and any skill that you find you just want to know about it, just go online and do a research about it. Mostly go to YouTube and you're going to get like the good videos, you're going to get tutorials about that. Get a 2 or 3 YouTube channels, watch their tutorials about that particular like topic, now what you want to understand more, to watch their videos to understand it better and go out there to offer your service. Or nowadays you can go and offer it online. You can be like, also by then you can, after that you can also create a YouTube channel to offer that particular tutorial, what you have learned, so that to get clients from there and they'll pay you for that and you start your business. Or nowadays TikTok is also there. You can just be like posting TikToks to be showing people your work, and if somebody is satisfied with that, they are going to contact you and let you do it for them. And more to the point, we have manual work. So let's say some work you don't need to any should I say skill to do it. You don't need like some work, you don't need like a big skill, or you don't need any much skill to do it. Just some simple tasks and you're good to go and you are going to be paid for that. So we have somebody will be doing something, just help the person, assist the person to complete the task, and the person will give you a portion of what he have errands. So let's say somebody is building a house or so, you can go and help that person to be like maybe to be carrying the blocks and other things, everything. Nowadays we are not in the era of if you don't work, that means no work, no pay. So you need to like some people, they just feel lazy. That's the thing. Some people just feel lazy, and some people they just live the lifestyle that they think it was supposed to be the better thing that they were supposed to be doing, which is not the main case. So some people, they upgrade themselves to a stage where they see themselves to be superior and they can't do some work, and that's not the case. So don't ever be that kind of person. Be the type of person who is flexible and you can fit in any position. No matter where you are, you can fit in any position. So never let people like the outside environment like be the type like you are. Don't do things to maybe to let somebody feel like you are superior. So no, live the life that can make you better. So that's what I can tell you guys, and thank you for watching. And if this video helped you, make sure you smash the subscribe button, smash the like button, and turn on post notification bell, so that anytime that I upload a video like this, you get notified and come to the channel and check it out. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.